if it works for you and you're willing to forgive each other and start fresh. What I mean by starting fresh, you're starting a life where you're actually forgetting that that's happened.
If you're going to stay with the person, probably not the most sensible thing to do. And then if you're going to leave the person, so what's your end goal?
It's not about being trash.
No, you're trash.
No, it's not trash.
It's trash.
There's many people where they've gone and exposed or put their partners up online and someone else comes back and says, oh, what are you talking about? That's my boyfriend. Oh, what are you talking about? That's my fiance.
That's what I'm saying.
No. Let me finish. You said not to interrupt you. No, it's not about people die every day. So
eloko wana zoloba eza soni parce que soki mwasi oyebi ko bomba partenaire noté na kati ya cercle na lobaki yana c'est que tu peux faire de grandes choses ya mabe ko dekasre motema no za mabe.
Exposing someone just for the sake, ultimately it's just for the sake of it because you're hurt. You're doing it because you're hurt and you're hoping that this will cause them some sort of embarrassment. I just kind of think, you know.
Welcome to Solola Bien Real Talk. I'm your host, Christian Bless, and we are back again, talking about some more hot topics. Now, I know that so far some of the comments and the topics that we've been speaking about has had people speaking and having developed conversation at home, and that's what we're here for. We are here to provide that platform where we can talk about some of these challenging topics, but also enable you to come to your own conclusion as well. We're all about Solola Bien. We don't want to silence anyone. We want to have an open community where each of us can feel free to share their opinion. So, last time on the show, we spoke about a topic that was really interesting, which was cheating. Should I stay or go? Today, we're going to take it a bit further, and we're going to discuss a topic. The topic is this. If your partner cheats, is it right to expose them on social media? A lot of people are using social media as a weapon to defend or to attack your partner. They're using social media as a way to exploit or to express their feelings and their thoughts. It's taking it to social media, taking it a step too far. So we will dissect and divulge this topic in a bit more detail. But before we go any further, I would like to say hello to my panelists. Panelists, how are you? What's up? Okay, we're ready. Listen, guys, behind the scenes, it was fire. The police had to come them down. I'm joking. But guys, remember again, if you are a girl, you want your wig, your Solola. Let's start with the Solola Bien first. Actually, the wig. If you want your wig, and you want to look beautiful like Beyonce or like the nice, saucy women out there on Instagram, we've got marvelous hair that Gladys is wearing. Description is on the link below. And also, if you want to have your own Solola Bien brand, we've got the beautiful. Tala, me and her to kotina system ya Lumumba. Tala ba still na biso donc voila. We've got the wonderful Le Chic who's wearing the Solola Bien hoodie. To get it, description is on the link below. So, the question is this. If your partner cheats, is it right to expose them on social media? Gladys, à la parole.
First of all, if you're going to forgive them, don't dare expose them, because then it's you embarrassing yourself. However, if you're going to leave, and it depends how many times they've done it as well. I don't condone cheating even once, but depends how many times they've done it. If you believe in the Bible like I do, it says that if someone sins, do this, do that, and afterwards, if they don't listen, they keep doing it, expose them. So I'm all for exposing if they don't stop, if they don't change their ways, expose them. You're saving other sisters' lives out there.
Saving other sisters' lives. This is like a rescue mission.
Yeah.
Wow. Angelique.
I don't believe in exposing because it's someone else's dignity, someone else's son, someone else's father. I believe there's another.
Okay. Yeah, speak louder, please.
I believe there's another way of exposing a person than to show their nakedness on social media. But if it is me nacha photo na yo elongi na yo, nacha description of what you've done, I will gladly do it.
I don't understand.
Because so no chat. No, because majority of people nowadays is many people, we've heard so many of these people but break up with their partner, instead of them exposing their partner's face, they expose their partner's nakedness.
Oh,
But that's revenge porn.
But if I'm putting your face, then that's fine.
so you are okay with exposing?
I agree.
You agree? So,
With the face, it's fine.
Or selling
But
my
not naked body.
bae, or selling my bae, I will expose you on social media. Okay, Linda.
Ultimately, it's like, what are you trying to achieve? I guess before you do anything, it's like, what are you trying to achieve? Now, if you are, like you said, if you're going to stay with the person, probably not the most sensible thing to do. And then if you're going to leave the person, so what's your end goal? So you want to embarrass them, you want to expose them, like you.
She said it's a rescue. She wants to rescue other sisters.
But is it though? Is it? Are you rescuing? Other people? Because ultimately, people are still. How many of us? I mean, I don't know, but I know many people that have heard, warning tales of a guy and still go and date him because they believe he's different. He's going to be different from me. He's going to be different. Treat me differently. He's going to act differently. Ultimately, all you're doing is exposing someone just for the sake. Ultimately, it's just for the sake of it because you're hurt. You're doing it because you're hurt and you're hoping that this will cause them some sort of embarrassment. I just kind of think, yes, somebody cheating on you is bad and it's, shouldn't be condoned or anything like that. But it's like, is it that serious? Like, is it that serious that you have to now then do a whole post? I guess it depends as well how active you are on your social media, how much of your personal stuff, your life you already share. But for me, it's it's not something I do.
All right. My sister,
somebody stole
Diamond.
from me, that's different.
What I think is that we are currently living in a society when people are acting and doing things.
It's going to
be hard. Okay, bon. Tozo vivre na Tamokobwe, where people are doing things repulsively. But to bazo salama kambu, bazo kendika kambara mo na sentiment na bango, baza hurt, bazo lingaba get the other person back. I personally, I don't think it's something that I would do. I just feel like makamususu is that better to just deal with it behind closed doors, because I feel like then also air out someone's dirty laundry in a way, also air out your own stuff as well. Donc yozo kan say ko la zo shame mutuana me so ni pe zape in you. So personally, I wouldn't do it. Social media, komisango very, very easy. Pona batu ba chaka kabiloko up there, but they don't understand. It's all biloko on social media. You can delete it, but it remains there forever, and you are attached to that situation. So me personally, it's not something that I would do.
Okay.
Everyone said it. It depends on the circumstances, and it depends on the end goal. I think Amber said it. What is the end goal? What are you trying to get out of that? If you think you can make it work, then you can make it work. No one can tell you that. Because there's a manual out there that says if someone cheats, like Gladys was saying, pro-cheating, she's really out there. I won't be surprised if she starts a page, really, a campaign about cheating. So I'm looking out for that. But then, like I said, if it works for you and you're willing to forgive each other and start fresh, what I mean by starting fresh, you're starting a life where you're actually forgetting that that's happened. You know what I'm saying? You're never going to mention it again. You're just looking forward to the future. You're just looking ahead. It does work. I've seen it.
I think social media today is used in so many different forms, and the way it was maybe 5-10 years ago is not necessarily how it is today. I'm kind of torn between these two ladies here. Reason being is because, me, girl power and all. I think there are some men that kind of get away, I'm speaking from a female perspective, that get away with certain behaviors that, is based on manipulation, and if you don't know, you don't know, because they do it so well. And so this concept of social media and putting it out there is to let another woman know that this guy right here, and depending on how it's done as well, can be quite useful for someone else to know. And I feel like it's not so bad if this person is an abuser, or if this person is a paedophile, if this person is a rapist, or if this person is a... I mean, if the news can put you up, then I'm more than happy to let people know to be careful with this person. But at the same time, I feel like with what Linda said, if it's based on you just being hurt, then you might want to rethink it, because anger is something, if you do act on anger, it's easy for you to, you know, look back and be like, ooh, I shouldn't have done that. But it's very easy for you to speak on how people should behave when you're outside of the emotion yourself. But when you're angry and you're mad, and today's social media is at the click of a hand, and you want to act how you want to act, it's easy for everyone to do indirects and statuses, and everyone's doing that now. So I feel like it's kind of easy to kind of be like, it's a good thing or it's a bad thing. But when you're in there, what's really happening, because that's what we're here to talk about, what's actually going on when we're in the heat of the situation, and what does it mean, and why are we using this platform of social media to do this whole exposing and telling and so forth?
I want to jump on that, yeah. Why are we doing that? What's driving us? All right, Francos and then Trésor.
Bon, la garçon c'est bien. C'est bon, pour Nangaï, vraiment moi je dirais que c'est bien. Parce que quand exposer tout d'abord, il sait là ah bah yo moko moto va ko sala yango. Mon l'air boken dans la bobani ba relation na bino wana. Moto azala raté. Mais ba to bozo ni web sur social media ka tomber ka to zala na bisoté. Et en top da ça moi de women ba zo mi balo ba yebi. Non ba basto mi balo. Là mi bana moi si to mo balo. Normalement ba faut qu'on attend. Il y a ba moto avant au comme vraiment comité dans moto. Normalement ba mi so appelle ça 90 days ni rules. Zala non 3 mois, il y a donc une réserve pour au stade bien. Mais ce qu'on y a vu, c'est au monde qui monte dans la batterie à batita au thé. Mais ce qu'on dit, c'est qu'on s'engage au Kenya, dans le Canada, qui aime ça pour changer, toi comme bien, et Kassali Yamo. Là, il y a Bandaki, Tozalaki, tu y es bakipé, allez, pour continuer les réseaux sociaux, tu as biso, maquiller les bébés. Si qu'on a Rosonga, yo monte ça là. Parce que là, on va comprendre pas les réseaux sociaux. Bah, tu vas bien la musique. Bah, tu vas comment, bah, lobby. Mais si on a ça, moi, la moi, si. Tu as moi, mon bal. Na moto na ndolo ba ah moto so na kenaye. So qui l'autre aussi problème na ndaku. Ah mais moi wapi na ba réseaux sociaux. Mala moko o bandi pe ko perdre peut-être ba potential partenaire o bandi ba ya et pas non o bandi ba zali peut être sérieux. Par rapport à behavior non.
Faut banguer déjà.
Et pas du baba parce que normalement ceux qui vont voir correspondre ma comme na bino yanda côté on bandi même on dit ça 10 000 personnes sur dans 10 000 followers o ba yebi binoté. Bandi ko na ngo bandi ko ya ça sert à quoi? Ça apporte d'abord quoi dans la société et surtout les camoufles surtout que sur le mariage ce bosse déjà na bana impact na ngo et pas bana wana et ça sur boka bana impact na ngo et pas bana eza nini très intelligent tout ça là ba tu ba quand tu le comment sentiment kaka Facebook et union what's in your mind
Obandi
pas
Kaboli on fait pas conséquence
ça vraiment tu
il est vraiment sage Trésor.
Nga na oloba on a contest musu sikoyo. On désolé nga oloba this one. Bon anyway, I'll go straight to it, what I wanted to say. On m'a pas te belé ba sala bêtise ya ko exposer ba partenaire na ba réseaux sociaux. Est-ce que tant to tinda ba vidéo musu mona tindi mobile neni. Obi ke ozozwa mobile no kabile papa mutu musu. C'est ta ba musu ba sepela kana. Now no ba réalité. On comprend. On dit to vivre na ba illusions day. That's the reality. Et ça ba mususu ozui mobile na yo bi mwasi na yo. Oyo soit a cheat, yeah? Mais ça kana mutu moko bo aluka mobile bi mwasi marque wana. Ya oluba boy, alobi boy. Alobi boy. Moi si oyo azoba. Mobile qui toko boye, a sali bêtise, ngala o maîtrise. Et ça ba réalité. Oyo, ça fact reality. Donc moi ni bati mususu o réagir na kanda na moment moko boye ozui muto peut-être ko bongisa na ye après na future o kabeli muto mususu. It's wrong at the highest. Kosala e bêtise wana parce que belé ba luka façon ni ya kolongola ba photo ya mwasi bien mobali na ba WhatsApp ba to ba kokate à cause ya bêtise oyo a réagir na emotions.
Okay. Randy.
First time agreeing with Trésor.
Na pambouille zone de toi ya ban bayo niveau franco lobby na Trésor là vraiment même bande ko passer. Non, je préfère là le banga na mboka parce que anglais moi quoi ça fait mal à la bouche. Alors ngapolanga na ozonga na le franco lobby. I don't care what happened in your relationship parce que tango banako sala makambo nyonso ya o expose wana. We weren't there. And what people forget is that social media is just a virtual world, man. It's a virtual world. Out of the 10,000 people that you have, or 100K, there's probably about 100 or 50 of them that you actually know, and out of that 50, maybe 5 really do care about you. The rest do not care. So when you are there, remember, every day when we go online, we're just looking for content to keep us entertained, content to keep us busy. So if you want your story to be another one of those stories just for the day or for the week, or another conversation for the group chats, then by all means, go ahead and expose yourself. But you have to think, that's not gonna, it's not gonna, what people are now gonna think about you is that, okay, this girl or this guy, that's all he does then. If I was to get with that person, there's a risk that they're going to expose me as well.
Randy, she said that it's a rescue mission. She's protecting
other
sisters.
No, you're not protecting no one. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you. Listen.
Many guys have been
when you were speaking, I didn't stop. I don't care who's been. I don't care who's been exposed, and I don't care who said what. Yeah. At the end of the day, this is what I believe. Yeah. There's 2 sides to a story. You understand? So you can have your receipts, whatever receipts, but you don't understand. This is what people don't understand, like Trezor said. You thinking you're exposing me, you're actually doing me free marketing. So unless, I'll go back to what Maya said. I'll go back. Remember, I'm going to interlink what everyone said here. Unless it's something serious like this guy truly is a rapist, or this guy is something really serious where by law, like it is a crime. Everything else don't matter. Because that's the only time we're going to think, like, look, for example, let's just look at R. Kelly. As high as we thought about him, as amazing as he is as an artist, soon as that came out, first we were a bit like, but then the more that came, we was like, yeah, this guy's trash. I'm not going to lie, I listened to Fali's album, as soon as that song comes, I skip it. Because in my mind, I'm thinking, I can't really be entertaining this because this guy's trash. You know what I'm saying? So unless you're exposing a pedophile, or unless you're exposing a rapist, you saying, I did this for this guy, I gave him this, when we were together, I did this, I did that. It does not matter. No, what I'm saying to you, listen, what I'm saying.
We are going there.
No, sorry. I'm actually being serious. That don't matter. Because when you lot were together, doing whatever you was doing, before you did it, you didn't come to us and say, hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to transfer some money in my boyfriend's account. You didn't do that. So when you've gone and done it now, and whatever's happened after, don't come and tell us that, I gave him money, I did this, I did that. It's trash, bro. Like, what that means is you and that person posting that you are trash. You are trash. It says everything about your character. You are trash.
Okay,
I'm just going to keep it there. Hold on a second. So, for me, to sum up what I'm going to say is, unless you are exposing a rapist or actual criminal, someone who's like an abuser or everything else like that, or things like Trezor said, if you're exposing, worst case, the worst thing as ladies, please, the worst thing you can ever do is expose your man's
private place.
Because what you're doing is actually free marketing. Because there's a girl out there who's thinking,
voila.
And same with the guys as well. The worst thing you can do is expose or talk about how amazing or what like all that sexual aspect is just free marketing. Keep it to yourself. Like, we actually don't care.
Okay.
So if you've done it, you're trash.
Randy. Gladys.
It's not about being trash.
No, you're trash.
No, it's not trash.
It's trash.
There's many people where they've gone and exposed or put their partners up online, and someone else comes back and say, oh, what are you talking about? That's my boyfriend. Oh, what are you talking about? That's my fiance.
That's what I'm saying.
No. Let me finish. You said not to interrupt you. No, it's not about people die every day. So it's not about being trash. It works for some people. There's certain people.
How does it work? What's the impact? How do we measure that? Hold on. Can I just ask her? How do we measure that?
Answer.
She was getting there.
How do we measure that?
I think Gladys it just nalinga tubenga soni pona basi na biso ba congolaise. Parce que eloko wana zoloba eza soni parce que soki mwasi oyebi ko bomba partenaire noté da katia cercle na lobaki yana, c'est que tu peux faire de grandes choses ya mabe koleka parce que motema no za mabe. Faut za na motema moki non na katia foyer na yo ou bien ata muninga salio mabe. Yeba ninga ko pardonner et soki muto na pesa que ta valeur. Kanisa ta bolamu ya sala yo. Kanisa ta bolamu mo asalaka yo pour quand même avant on poser certains actes parce que nena lobaika yo quand yo exposer mabe mais mutumo boye a sepeli na ya zui afane calme tout monde na ba ka belé ke mwana mwasi moko bafingi atie mobali na ye bazosala makambo na bango na chambre ale mutu moko boye asepeli na ye bake mpe babalani mpe bakoma mpe couple mpe bakoma kovivre na bango mpe siko ye atikali ye moko akrake akoti badepression.
But we were just speaking recently, naming names. Someone come up with, oh yeah, I know him too. Oh yeah, she knows him too. Oh yeah, they know him too. Let me see the DMs match up. All come in the same circle. Same guy who's been in a relationship. Same guy who's been exposed to be getting married very soon. That's what I would say.
But it depends. No.
People die every day. What I'm trying to say, it's a saying. It's like
one guy, 5 different girls.
But listen.
Same words in the DM.
But she's replying to what? She's replying to what?
Okay, go on, Mandy.
She's replying to what I said.
Go on.
No, it's not literally.
No, but I mean, people only start talking about this guy because this girl exposed what this guy was doing.
Okay, so. What?
So
like I said, I'm gonna ask the same question as asked. So how has that impacted that person's life?
It saved 4 girls.
It saved 4 girls. How did it save them?
From being
living in darkness, not knowing what was going on, not knowing that they're being lied on, all of that.
So how
It's saved 4 girls.
I'm still saying.
Yeah.
And how many girls did that guy win?
Yeah, I know what I'm trying to say. Like, it's what I understand is let's not forget what the original question was. The original question was, should you do it or should you not? And most of you have said, and I'm not gonna lie, Maya's made probably the point that's more important because I'm a parent, yeah, and then one thing I hate is like
if you see
pedophiles,
even abuse. You should include
all of them people, but
that
like
shouldn't be
abuse comes in different forms, doesn't it? Like, I'm saying, but what I'm saying is back to what Christian said: should you do it? Should you not? And what I was basically saying is back to what Maya and what Franco said. When you started, we weren't there. When you was doing all of those things, we were not there. And all of these things, even when you started seeing red flags, we weren't there. You didn't come to us and say, hey guys, this is what my situation, I think I'm starting to be suspicious of my partner. What do you guys think? Should I start? You didn't do that. It's different, like you said, it's different if you've documented your relationship from the very start. Yeah, throughout. Then you owe us an explanation because we were rooting for you. We was like, we're looking forward to the wedding. But you didn't tell us. But even when even back to your topic and what you're referring to, even when you're posting whatever else, people behind the back, like Franco said, I think flipping out, man. It's not the royal wedding. Like we've had enough. Just hurry up and get married. That's what was going on behind the scenes. So what I'm trying to say is, the virtual scene, the virtual world should not get into people's heads. Like, I respect Franco. This guy runs like however many pages, but he remains the same. Because those numbers, they're just online. Yeah, it'll be great if those numbers can transfer into money, but you got to understand, just because you got 100K and 200K and that, it's what you do with it. It's what you do with that. So using your platform to expose someone, because you're in your feelings,
depends what
all right,
guys.
You know
So,
what I mean?
okay, I'm gonna do this here. I'm gonna go on a couple of. I'm gonna go about 30 seconds each. Yeah. Then we're gonna go.
I had a situation when I was much younger, that was a big deal in my life, and a few years later I documented it with a YouTube video talking about how I got over the situation and so forth, and I kind of told the story and how it went. And when I initially did it, I didn't know why I was doing it. I kind of felt like it was therapeutic for me to kind of talk about it. And then it was only when I got like hundreds and hundreds of emails from different people around the world talking about how they felt exactly the same and so forth, that I felt like, oh,
you did something
actually great. I've impacted people's lives out here to feel like they can talk about these things and they're not alone. So I feel like, depending on, like you said, how it's done, when you're speaking about your romantic life, which nowadays everyone is doing, everyone's putting up their little sherry here and whatnot, showing the great stuff and whatnot, and hardly do we actually ever know that it when it goes peak or when it goes wrong, right?
And people shouldn't know. My advice to people out there, sorry, man, to cut you. My advice to people out there is, if you're in a relationship, any kind of relationship, and whatever is going on, unless it's something really, really major, don't involve no one else. Not even your family. Just try to sort it out between yourselves. Listen, online should just be used for entertainment purposes, business purposes.
Don't be talking about your relationship.
You can't say that. Social media works
No,
differently.
Social
for
media
other
helps
people.
other people.
Okay. All right. Cool. Cool. I heard what you said. I heard what you said. So she's gonna close off what she's gonna say. She's gonna finish off. All right, Randy. All right.
Qu'est-ce qui s'est passé après?
All right. Thank you.
Just to-
Thank you. Man,
Just
you
to
close.
close off, so I feel like, social media can be used in so many different forms, and today we are using it in so many different forms. But I always say, if you're going to do something, be sure that when you're doing it, stand by it. So if you're going to put up a status and you're going to say something, be ready to stand by it. There's no point of deleting it later on.
Post and delete, post and
Should have
delete.
said that. And nowadays we're in a situation where and even that. And nowadays we're in a situation where today you're speaking. 5 years down the line, something great happens for you, and then this tweet that you said comes out, and it's like, oh, you said this. What I say to people is, if you're gonna say what you're saying, mean it and stand by it. Even 10 years later, I want to still be able to say I said that and I stand by that because this is what I feel like. This is who I am as a person. So when you're projecting something based on how your emotions are feeling, I feel like you should be able to just own it.
Okay. Linda.
To close off, my opening statement is what it is. I think I agree with Maya in that unless it's to do with safety, protecting people, protecting, people from, the community from rapists and things like that, then I kind of feel like cheating, yes, it's hurtful. Yes, there's lots, deception and betrayal, and there's lots of things that come with it. Should it be out? Is it something that you should share on social media? Probably not, unless maybe in the way that Maya's described it, without it being like just hi, here's a picture of this guy and he did this to me. I feel like, what do you gain?
I did this for him.
Yeah, like that's even and anybody that has to count the things that they do for people is a little bit. I always kind of have to question people that do that anyway. Those things, it's a little bit suspect, but it's never a good idea.
But what do you say?
Not for cheating.
You don't like people that do that. So
like why are you counting all the stuff that you did for someone? Because if you're in love and you're doing something for somebody, then you start counting it afterwards. It's a bit like
that's bad.
And then afterwards, I'm gonna go to you guys in a minute.
I think just to sound off what everyone else has said, like obviously to expose people that are in the wrong, I feel like it's sort of like a service that you are doing to the community, exposing rapists, murderers, domestic violence, all of that is all good. You're helping. Exposing someone just because of a relationship has gone sour, I think it's immature, I think it's childish, it's immature, and I think it's childish. Like, what do you get out of it? You get nothing. Yeah, and if you're going to post it, like Maya is saying, if you're going to post something, post it and leave it up there. Don't post it and then go back and say, like, no, post it and leave it and stand by it and own your
Or because people ask you to delete it. No,
keep it up there. Keep it up there.
Keep it there.
Frank.
So inako bakiselo mona lingala la bakiselo mona lingala omoni na mabala e ba promesaka toujours là exacte que ce problème ye opandi yango mokili mobimbo opandi yango na mokili mobimba expose motu na yo deal with it na kati ya ndaku na yo ya libala deal with it so ko mona ke yo na mbali no boko kate boke no luka ba parents na bino bo luka ba people ba godparents bi loka ndengwana bo try to sort it out bo panzana because the worst thing you can do is opandi seka mobile no bo opandi seka ya mwasi na suka nango you guys get back together bakoseka yo mokili koseka yo so deal with it na kati ya ndaku na yo we don't want to hear about it. We don't care.
Dame, namoni ke ozana ma bag na nini? Oza marié?
Na marié.
Donc tango ozoloba ngo na expérience.
Oui, 11 years of experience.
11 years. Oh maman pesanga ma.
Faut le baba. Question. Moi maman mariée, faut le baba né parce que ba te belé ba komika ba balani lelo, le bitomoni YouTube e komi yo marriage counselor.
Therapist.
I want to tell you about marriage, man. No, 1 year good to them quitter. Donc il y a dans la 11 ans d'expérience. Donc il pas franco, il y a un expert dans ma advice à l'oba très bien.
Randy. I'm tired
nga conclure kaka ke mpona koevite makambo nyonso nazongeli bozwaka temps ya koyeba bapartenaire na bino so potential partner donc nabi 90 days rules soko stick na yango 3 mois parce que lelo tokomona fi tellement social media ko pesa mo prêche to akuteka na mobile moko boy I'm with Bay vacation.
Baba malem ba na date mais on filmer na yemoko. Après on filmer Bassani. Bassani après on filmer Maboko.
D'abord au monde un espace il y a 3 mois on changeait déjà 3 bays. Pour la ligne aux appréciés on a que ça bat. Et puis bay. Et donc, on est ça là, ils ont d'abord réfléchi d'abord pour la yomo moi si to mobile, ils ont réfléchi aux amours ya sérieuxité. Si qu'on se aux 8 motos, aux 8 ans yo, on dit que yeba moto wana malamu. Et qu'on éviter au makambo belé parce que ba caractère na ba habitude là, muta ko fanda bomba ni na fa bout ça den. Na espace wana à 3 mois, au comment na résultat aux luka, so ka zan ndenge ni pour yeba moto to kende na ye wapi. Eh, ne bande la relation d'abord. Là vous dans ta relation, il faut que ça soit clair.
Ok.
Bon, nous tombe ma relation, est-ce que vous vers mariage ou pas? Quand il y a un plan, ceux qui montent un plan, il y a un la tête dans 50 ou 3 Tambola, vous comprenez? Yo ko fanda wana oyebi azako yebiso ke ngakuti makambo na linga ngote ngaboy boy
mais tant comme on commission
otikali obandi ko exposer na région likambo osombela batu biloko là nous avons une relation to misombanaka biloko omona ngana yelo mwa cadeau yepele nga cadeau
c'est normal.
Valeur ya moi
ça n'a pas bambongo
valeur ya moi non attends pas valeur ya moi système mobile is not based on finance system matériel comme le bawana ils ont ça base na valeur oyo to za ko mema na kati ya relation wana ya ngonde donc c'est pour ça ba bino ce que baby hein pardon pour là dans moi ba te la balaka ba tia biso makele mais là ba kabona ba ya sur ba réseau te tout le monde ba biso ko ça ba enquête oh alors il faut dire ok ils sont dans mon salon banquette donc ndenge na makamuna bino soki on banda ki ba relation na ba réseau ceux qui sont dans ba réseau là on kabana biso que ah na pas partir de l'autre to kabani to puis ah yeah kabani
voilà
c'est ça banda ki to ke tina bandeli yo moko ya
document from the beginning
bandi ko document mais suka pe si c'est ça que to kabani to puis ah na go ni donc eza bon mais bomba réputation na bino bomba dignité na bino en tant que mutu parce que ko exposer ba na réseaux sociaux et ça na ba conséquences moko belé oyo ko affecter vie professionnelle vie personnelle non peut-être que ce que na ba na vie ya bana na bino donc
bon je comprends.
I think 90 days 365 days, to be honest, someone said that people change, so to be honest you can have your 90 days but then for example like the original 90-day thing was about before you get intimate with that person. But remember, guys, some guys are really good actors. Some guys are really good at acting. So if I know I'm waiting 90 days, then after 90 days, I'm going to get what I want. I'll wait 90 days. I'll wait 91 days if we want to. But I think it's just, you can't put time on it. You can't time these things. It is what it is. When it's right, it's right. When it doesn't work, it doesn't work. Everyone just goes about their way, really. We can't really put time on these things, 90 days and all that. That's nonsense, man. Steve Harvey's talking. How many times has he been married again? He came out with this, so nonsense.
Angelique.
For me, I agree with the majority of things that have been said, especially what are you actually exposing. I agree with that, but some things contradict episode like when you're saying like in the beginning if you knew then you shouldn't have, but then in the other episode with you and Gladys you said Bino Bassi you put the charge on the woman for the woman no but emo bosana obi mwasi yemoko tango zomona ke mobile nezo ke that was when we were talking about trapping a man and you said is a mwasi if I yeba is a bisonde basike it's our fault when the relationship doesn't you did you said that to Gladys that's what you said to Gladys and you said it in front of all of us
au monde que mobile wana ozana ye kazo kende nzela ozokende te oza responsable na yo moko ya koyeba ke relation oyo esanga you jump ship ba force amutu na relation mais soki otikali ke makambo na sima faute ya mobile yo moko za mukolo wa mwana ngata
c'est bon trésor
yo le besoin comprendre mon besoin
trésor
pas oui pour être trésor et comment
na biboya ona ngai boke kutoke ku musika na social media I think est-ce que bato bazo ba valeur ya libala non d'abord na limite que bato ba bi valeur ya libala na limite bato ba bi valeur ya relationship moni libala eza cercle ya deux personnes c'est-à-dire mutu mo rokota na kati kuna te ezali chambre tofanda totikala koyeba te ke bapapa na biso bamama na biso bazala mpe na baerreur parce que bano garde biloko nyonso na cercle déjà yo mwasi be mobali soki vi na yo ezalaka likambo moke boye ah Trésor asalaki boye nani asalaki boye Viviane asalaki boye Clarisse asalaki boye nani wasalaki boye on prend ebanoke malembe ebane from your friend knows everything is happening in the house na yo. Then you're gonna go to the social media pe ba oyeba makambo nyonso ka ndenge Randina Francos balo bake tango yo obimisi makambo na bino boye yeba pe ndenge ko expliquer bato ndenge ezokende ko problème ezozala nini sorry vraiment na utiliser terme yo mingi parce que
et ça la passe
et ça nga bien mingi te mais basi ba disagree mais ça bongo there's a lot of people basi belé ba little girls
oh my god
les mecs
répétez tiens-moi ton
baza ba mike na mitou pourquoi parce que so totali ba vidéo belé mingi bima
men are not little girls
même because of girls
na fanda calme rami
eza basi mutu ba
majorité to mona mingi basi mutu ba exposa problème ezali nini to ba valeur nanu ya libala nanu libala eza nini au moins so to bi valeur ya libala to cheat te ba buzo be koma te ba n'importe quoi ekozala te to kozala kati ya cercle na biso na kati ya cercle ya libala wana tata na okota te ya na bielek na okota te pasteur na okota te master na okota te bata réseaux sociaux ba okota te eza entre bien mibale soki bon moni ke bien mibale boko vivre na kati kuna te bo sali arrangement na ndenge ya propre so bo bala na ki bo fandisi les deux familles biso za ka bongo ba africain ata boko disagree bo fandisi deux familles mo bala sali lettre bo kabwani parce que tant muninga yaki abalaki avec du respect pourquoi yo bo bala na ki pardon bo bala ni avec ba respect bo fandisa ki les deux familles pourquoi tant problème yi il faut au côté ça ba bizengi mo ba fanda na Facebook ba la ba vidéo pour ba no panzango je pense que ça problème il y a maturité na ebele ba baza na kati ya libala de donner what they doing
c'est bon Gladys to finish it off.
Okay, I learned a lot with that topic because from there, because me, I would just expose. Because like, I sometimes deal with my emotion. I would just expose you and I wouldn't give a damn afterward. I would cry probably and regret later, but I really didn't care because I hurt you somehow. But hearing Maya, hearing Amber, hearing Trésor for the first time in my life actually agreeing with the dude, and Frank, it depends what you are actually going to put out there. If I'm going to put a man beat up a woman in the extent of like nearly killing them, then I would. Rapist, I will. Fraudster, if I told about I would, because I'm saving other people. But other than that, just he cheated and then he left. Especially that one now. Chelly Bandapo. Why not sauver vie, not sauver nation?
I still completely stick to what I said. If it's something that you're going to forgive, you better not expose it. If you're not going to forgive it and it's helping you vent, go ahead and expose. Don't air out your dirty laundry if you're in a marriage. So if you have issues, you can deal with it within your household. But I also don't like the stigma where a lot of our African elders, where they say, not all marriages are sweet. You should be suffering in your marriage. You should take all the pain. You should be able to deal with those type of things. I don't agree with. So I also don't agree, going to tell your bestie all your issues. But there should be someone that's, mutual, someone that is rooted for your relationship that you can talk to. So whether it's your mother or,
No, preferably not your mom.
Yeah, not mother.
But I know I'm saying your mother or his mother. Get close to his mother or whatever. Someone that loves your partner a lot more than, not a lot more than you do, but someone that loves you to marriages. But obviously, you can't trust humans.
Yeah.
And in what Trésor is saying, the 90-day rule, 10-year rule, 5-year, people change. Sorry, Francos. People change. You can know someone great, they're happy because let's say you met someone and they're happy in their lives because they're successful in their career. 10 years down the line, they lose their career, they change. Like people change, so it happens. You should just know how to deal with those issues.
Fantastic. Well, guys, that was the topic. As you can see, there's difference of opinions, and would like to again clarify for the Solo La Bien, this topic just is a general conversation, and if you feel as though you are affected by it, we are offering you advice in order to help support the community so that we don't, so that our community is not self-inflicting our own downfall. We need to promote each other. We need to promote a positive agenda. And you know what? Thank you very much, guys. Now, remember to subscribe, comment, and like. We are solo la bière. Non, merci. Merci, ça vient. Voilà. Listen, guys, thank you very much and see you later. Bye-bye.